Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead on your school Chromebook. School-issued devices often have strict limitations, making it tough to install demanding games directly. But don't worry, cloud gaming offers a fantastic solution. It lets you stream games from powerful remote servers right to your Chromebook, effectively bypassing its hardware limitations. All you need is a reliable internet connection to get started. Several excellent cloud gaming services can bring Cuphead to your Chromebook. NVIDIA GeForce now allows you to stream games you already own on platforms like Steam or Epic Games. Xbox Cloud Gaming provides access to hundreds of titles, including many popular ones, with an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Amazon Luna also offers a selection of games, with some included free for Amazon Prime members. These services handle the heavy lifting, sending the game visuals directly to your browser. Beyond dedicated cloud services, you have a couple of other options. You might find limited browser-based versions of games, like a Cuphead web demo, on certain gaming websites. If you have a powerful gaming PC at home, you can stream games from it to your Chromebook using apps like Steam Link or Moonlight. This turns your Chromebook into a remote display for your home computer, letting you enjoy your full game library. Before you dive in, remember to check your school's acceptable use policy to avoid issues. If school Wi-Fi blocks cloud gaming sites, consider using a VPN or your phone's mobile hotspot. For the best performance, close any unnecessary browser tabs or applications running in the background. You can also try lowering the game's resolution or graphics settings within the cloud service for a smoother, more responsive experience. Enjoy your gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.